Hello YouTube, this is Johnny. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to hard reset this tablet in case you forgot your passwords, and this would work on other Samsung tablets. In my case here I have a model SM-T210. So what we are going to do here, I'm going to be holding the volume up key and the home key plus the power button to go to the recovery mode. So I'm holding my volume up key and then power button. Then you will see the screen going white. As you can see, then you release the power button, and this will take us to the recovery mode of this tablet. So when you go to the recovery mode, it will come in the landscape format. So what you see here is very simple. You're going to go ahead and use the volume keys to navigate. In my case here, I'm going to go ahead and click the volume down key. Then I'll go down to wipe cache partition. Then I'll accept by clicking the power key. Then this will wipe the partition cache. Then the next step, you have to go ahead and go to wipe data and factory reset. And click the volume down key, then the power key. And this will take us again to, when you click power key, to take you to this option where you accept to delete all the user data. This is going to format all your tablet data. Everything is going to be lost, and this is going to take back the tablet as if it was brand new. So this is how you do the process. So the next step here, you have to go ahead and do something very simple. You're going to go and say restart now, restart system now. Then the tablet will reboot and to start installing the files again, and this will take like 10 minutes to 20 depending on your tablet. This will take a few minutes, 10, 5. So you have to wait for it to boot. As you can see, it has given some sound. So this is how you do it. So if this video has helped you, please subscribe to this channel. In order to get notified, you click the bell icon whenever I upload this video like this. Have a nice time. Goodbye.